Okay, so guys, I have started the recording for today. Today being Friday, 7 o'clock, it's our productivity session. And we are going to have a rocking productivity session. So invite all the participants, who are in the plan to win. Get all your cluster members, all your buddies, wake them up. Some people need reminder. I definitely need reminders, and that's the reason I use a calendar and this mobile reminder on my mobile phone. I keep reminders so that I know that at 7 o'clock I have a training to be delivered. Okay, so training to be given. So similarly, just check with all your all your buddies, all your participants, invite them, ask them to join. Okay, so we'll just take about a minute, and in meantime, I will just ensure that everything is prim and proper at my end. Okay, so we'll begin in a minute. Okay, so it's exactly 7:05. Let's get started. We'll begin our session. Now, before we begin our session, I'll give you a brief outline. What is it that we are going to cover? Today, we are going to cover the human aspect of productivity training. Okay, and since we are going to cover the human aspect of productivity training, it makes sense that we move away from the technology and we get face to face with other people. Okay, so when I say we get face to face with other people, what I am meaning to say is, let's open up our cameras. Okay, so everyone, please open up your cameras. We want more and more people to have interaction, because that's how we want our session to be today. So request Shalaka, Rajesh, uh, Shehzadi, Reena, warm welcome to today's productivity session, and Seema and Rajesh also. Okay, fantastic. So Seema, amazing. Thank you for being the first one to start the camera on. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shehzadi, Reena. Just check if you can have the cameras on. The reason is we are going to have a one-to-one session for today. That's a makeup, or that's a format that we want to follow on today's productivity session. So Shalaka, and
I'm in the car.
requesting you to do the same. Yes.
Shehzadi is in the car.
Yeah, Shehzadi, you're saying you're in the car? Okay.
Yes, she's traveling.
Okay, yes, now I am able to see. Yeah, so thank you, and it's really amazing, and I acknowledge you that wherever you are, you're putting your video, and there is a reason behind it. With people coming on the screen, the humane aspect remains very important. Okay, and that is what we are going to do, and that is what we are going to cover now. Before I give you outline of what we are going to do today, or rather, let me keep what are the topics that I'm going to cover today. Let me keep that as a mystery. What I'm going to start with is, what is it that we did last to last conversation training. Okay. Now, if you guys remember, I think we covered an exercise of no. Okay. So we did an exercise of no. I think it was last week, if I'm not mistaken, in the conversation training. So anyone over here, do you recollect what was the no exercise? Raise your hand if you recollect what was the no exercise. Yeah, raise your hand. One second. Wait. Okay, so nobody is raising your hand. Okay, so let me check. Seema, can I ask you carry out a no exercise, and I would suggest do this no exercise with let's say Reena. Okay, so Reena के साथ एक no exercise कीजिए. Yes.
I have done it already. I can do it again.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
very
do it.
interesting.
Yeah, do it
कौन
again.
सी
Yeah.
exercise? Once again, कौन सी exercise?
The no exercise.
No exercise.
So whatever I say, you have to say
हाँ
no,
हाँ हाँ
right?
हाँ हाँ. सीमा ये तो
So
अपने लिए
whenever
regular
if
है.
I say,
बिंदास.
Rina is used to saying no, so Rina can do it very well.
Very easily. Bindas.
So Rina,
Good.
you're coming to my house. I'm
No.
inviting you to come to my house.
No. I'm not coming.
Rina, I have made paneer cutlets for you.
यार सीमा ऐसे तो इतने alluring वाले मत देंगे. Okay. मुझे मालूम है कि तेरे को तू पनीर कटलेट मुझे खिलाएगी तो मैं जरूर आऊंगी. You know that well.
But you have to say no.
नहीं, but I'm saying yes to that. No.
No. You have to say no. You have to say no. So Rina,
Fantastic. Guys, from this small exercise, we are not doing a full-fledged exercise. So thank you, Seema, and thank you, Reena, to be such a sporty and participative participants कि हमको no जो exercise है वो समझ में आ गई. And we are not going into too much in depth and in detail. Rajesh is here, so we are not going to cover the complete part of the no exercise that is there. Few pointers to get from here. It is not a no to a person, right? अगर रीना नो बोल रही है तो रीना नो सीमा के लिए नहीं बोल रही है कि सीमा मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रही है. वो ये बोल रही है कि नहीं, मैं I am saying no to the invitation that you have given me. Okay, invitation to come to my house. Okay, so this no is for that purpose. Okay, हमको ये नहीं लेना है कि अरे मुझे कैसे बोल दिया, मुझे ना बोल दिया, and all those things. We don't have to go into that ego tussle or ego trip, and also अरे मैंने जब उसको बोला था तब तो वो मैं उसके घर पे गई थी, अब जब मेरी बारी है मैं उसको इनवाइट कर रही हूँ तो वो नो कैसे बोल सकती है. सो रेसिप्रोकेशन नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज another thing. Despite of all the things that is happening, don't have it as a jugglery going into your head. Okay, so this no exercise which is there is just saying that this is no to a person. Okay, and again, this is no to an action. There is an action over here, there is a task over here, और आप ये task और ये action को no बोल रहे हो. You're not saying no to that person. Okay, तो ये हमको no exercise समझ में आता. Okay, so what is it that no is about? Okay, now another thing that I want to build up on this concept of no exercise is there is a person. Okay, let's say there is a person, Arun. Okay, now this person has behavior, he has ethics, he has intentions, and he has habits. Okay, so behavior, work habits, ethics hai, and all those things. Okay, and there is also third thing, which is results that are produced when I go to the work. So मेरा कहने का ये मतलब है कि there is one person, Arun. That person shows behavior, and that behavior results into work output. तो अगर आपके ऑफिस में during appraisal, suppose my appraisal is happening, and HR is saying, Arun, I'm looking at the scorecard, and in your appraisals, you're not doing good, you're not doing great. Okay, and the numbers are not good, sales are not happening, this is not happening, that is not happening. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, सब अपने ऊपर लेता हूँ. Okay, and I feel very small. Rather, what is happening is it's not on me as a person. even it's not even what is happening on my, the behavior के ऊपर भी पॉइंट नहीं हो रहा है, या हैबिट्स या आपके एथिक्स के ऊपर भी कोई उंगली नहीं डाल रहा. उंगली कहाँ पे पॉइंट हो रही है? द रिजल्ट्स दैट हैज बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इन ऑफिस, अगर आपके रिजल्ट्स नहीं है तो दैट इज फॉर दैट रिजल्ट.
Recording in progress.
If I was saying no, your results are not satisfactory, so we have room for improvement on the results. हम क्या करते हैं? अपने ऊपर ओनस लेते हैं. Oh my God, me as a person, they are saying no to me. मेरा appraisal खराब गया. No, not your appraisal has gone bad. The result that was produced by you, वो जिसने काम किया, उस व्यक्ति ने वो रिजल्ट जैसे टारगेट रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस करना था वो उसने किया. ओके, आई क्लियर दिस मोर इजीली. सपोज अगर एक बंदा सामने आता है, स्क्रीन के सामने आता है, और सामने पैनल ऑफ जजेस है, और जैसे ही उस बंदे की शक्ल दिखती है वो उनको रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली रूडीज ऑडिशन. कि कोई भी सामने बंदा आता है, उसने बोला भी नहीं है, he has not even said anything, done anything, or acted or behaved in any fashion. तो ये हो गया रोडीज ऑडिशन. अभी यही बंदा, so रोडीज ऑडिशन, and रोडीज ऑडिशन will know that okay, it's really senseless, irrational होता है, and there, and we need not pay attention and put any meaning or thought to it. अब यही बंदा when he is put in front of the screen और उसका बिहेवियर शो होता है, उसके चाल चलन शो होते हैं, and then at that point when he is evicted या he is asked or given some punishment, तो ये हो गया बिग बॉस का हाउस. ओके, सो बिग बॉस के हाउस में बिहेवियर को देखा जाता है, हैबिट्स को देखा जाता है, आपकी चाल चलन को देखा जाता है. Again, this is a big box ka house and this is a game. The beautiful or beauty part of it is, हम जहाँ पे काम करते हैं, office, people are not judged by person, name, caste, creed, gender, and all those things. No, never, not at all. They are also not judged on behavior, habits, ethics, and all those things. In fact, office guys are really amazing. I would say hats off to them, because they are just judging on the results that you are producing. आप अगर results अच्छी तरह से produce कर रहे हो, तो 6 बजे का टाइम है, आपको घर जाना है, तो yes, go ahead, you deserve it. You deserve to go home because you finished all your work, in the time. So this is what I call as results that you're producing is appreciated. So it's not on person, it's not on behavior, it's on result. Okay, now which is the space or which is the place जहां पे अगर बंदा अच्छा नहीं है, उसका बिहेवियर भी अच्छा नहीं है और रिजल्ट्स भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहा है, फिर भी लोग उसको चाहते हैं. Okay, and it could be nothing but your house. Okay, so maybe you're not being a good person, maybe your behavior is not acceptable, maybe your habits and all the things that you're doing is really not at par, और results भी अगर produce नहीं कर रहे हो, because of sheer love and belongingness and compassion, family members are really at high level that they have accepted you and they appreciate. Okay, so I just wanted to bring this nuance with you, that what is it that we are doing. Okay, now carrying further with the no exercise, हमने no exercise देखा. I mean, next thing is, while we are doing the no exercise, it is important, okay, that we get response. It is very important that we get response. So suppose you want something to happen, so for that you would make a request, right? So again, we are building the blocks on the request. In last conversation session we worked on request and demand. Okay, so अगर कोई आपको request करता है, okay, so let's take example of a request over here. Shalaka, would you make a request to someone in the participants list so that we get this exercise? a demand or a request in either of them. So let's do this exercise. Yeah, Shala.
I request Shehzadi to say hi to everyone. Hi.
Fantastic, fantastic. So this was a beautiful example of a request and request being accepted immediately. Now, beauty part of this is when someone requests, Shehzadi, आपको feel कैसे हुआ? You know, when someone requested, आपको feel कैसे हुआ? Was it too intimidating? Was it too dominating? Or was it in the flow? Ekdam, it was in the flow and there was no, no ambiguity about it. What would you say? Okay.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah. So I take it that you're saying that yes, it was absolutely in the flow. There was no ambiguity, and you were very, you were interested. You were enrolled in saying hi. Shalaka, आपको कैसे लगा when when Shehzadi responded to you and she said hi? What was the feeling?
I felt good. I mean, she's responded to my request and I felt nice.
Wow. Wow, fantastic. तो यही होता है ना. अभी इसका ही opposite अगर होता है that you made a request to someone and that person, we know that person can say no, but here is another trick. Let's say that person doesn't respond. वो बंदा respond ही नहीं कर रहा है. Okay, then what do you do? Okay, now maybe that thing is important to you. Or if it is not important to you, you might forget about it, but there is some incompletion that is left. Okay, अगर ये incompletion हमारे दिमाग में चलता है, तो what needs to be done is you need to do completion with that person. Okay, and ensure that this is complete, so that next time onwards, if a new request or demand is made, it lands smoothly. There is a possibility of saying completely no, yes, or maybe. Okay, now if you ask again, this is something important, and if you ask that person again, I have this request, could you answer please, and that person doesn't say or doesn't respond again. Now ideally I would say make 3 tries. 3 बार try करो, 3 के ऊपर मत करो, because 3 के ऊपर क्या होता है, we occur as too needy. Or again, I think this is one of the practice that I follow, कि 3 के ऊपर आप मत करो, छोड़ दो. If that is something which is not important. See, अगर मेरा client है, client से मुझे check लेना है, there is a check which is pending. मैंने एक बार पूछा, उसने no बोला, मतलब कुछ बोला ही नहीं, respond नहीं किया. दूसरी बार बोला, respond नहीं किया. तीसरी बार किया, respond नहीं किया. I'm not going to leave it, because it's a money and he owes me back. So I am going to ensure that as per business, he gives me back the money that is due. हो सकता है 3 के ऊपर, more than 3, he might need that many reminders. But as a practice, if things are not important and we need to move forward in our life, 3 बार try करो, 3 के ऊपर अगर नहीं होता है, and if it is not that important, we can leave it then and there itself. But yes, ensuring that we have completion with that person. Okay. Now there are different ways of doing completion. Heart to heart call करो, acknowledgement करो, या अपनी as I said, be open and be cordial to that person. Say this is what is happening and going in my mind, so that you are clear. Okay. So what is coming out of this is responding, and responsiveness is one skill which is very, very, very important, and we should have this. बहुत बार ये होता है कि हमको अंदाजा ही नहीं आता है कि अरे कोई हमारे लिए रुका है, कोई हमसे रिस्पांस मांग रहा है, कोई हमसे रिस्पॉन्ड करने की कोशिश कर. चैट पे कोई मैसेज लिख देता है कि अरुण, कैन यू सेंड मी दिस last Friday's video. If I'm not responding, it's my fault. Okay, if I'm not responding, it's my fault. I need to respond to that person. Okay, because that person is thinking about it. He has back of his mind, that this is happening and so on. And it's really incorrect from my part. It's really faltering on my part that I have not responded. Now, over email, it is expected that we respond in 1 working day, 24 hours. On WhatsApp message, kitna hai? Definitely, it should be less than 24 hours. Yeah. So maybe we can, now world over, people have agreed कि email के लिए 1 working day. Okay. Yeah. Next 24 hours is agreed. Practice, best practice. Instant messages के लिए अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, but we can safely take it that maybe 3 hours or 6 hours. Okay, so 6 hours का window period मान के चलते हैं that maybe people are busy through the day and after the office hours they might respond to you. So maybe 8 hours or something like that. But we need to respond. Responding is very, very, very important. हो सकता है कि मैं बोलूं no, I'm not going to do this. Okay, and that is absolutely okay. Okay, and this could be possible that you are saying no to that. Okay, so what are the things that are possible? The things that are possible is that maybe I am saying yes, maybe I could say yes, I could say no, or I could say maybe. Okay, so these are possible options that could be there. Now, responding is very important because यहाँ से क्या होता है कि सामने वाला बंदा है ना, उसको आइडिया लग जाता है कि आप aligned हो कि नहीं, whether you are with me or not. Okay, so everyone over here, are you with me in this training session? Say with me. Say with me. Okay, so this is an exercise in responding. Okay, so when you say with you, मुझे पता चलता है कि आप मेरे साथ हो. Okay, and being responding and reciprocating is very important. Okay, आप aligned नहीं हो तो बोल दो I'm not aligned, और ये भी बता दो कि किस चीज के बारे में आप aligned नहीं. Okay, now because बहुत बार क्या होता है, हमारा ideas मिलते हैं, किसी चीज पे अगर नहीं मिलते हैं तो that's absolutely fine. For example, you and me, we might be great in conversation. Okay, but maybe when we are at the meal, you might ask for vanilla and I might ask for butterscotch. Okay, वहां पे हमारे taste नहीं मिल रहे या नहीं जुड़ते. Okay, so that is all possible and that is all okay. Okay, so for that reason we need to ensure that responsiveness is one skill that we need to improve, increase. और बहुत बार हमको पता नहीं चलता कि सामने वाले के लिए ये बहुत important है, and then we take it कि oh, it is important for him, but maybe it is low priority for me. Yeah, it is not important for me. Okay, so this is what comes up. Okay, so we need to take alignment from the other person that yes, I'm going to do this. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do this, and so on. Now, from the participants of Plan to Win, okay, take back that it's important to respond. Yes. Now, from the participants of Plan to Win, हमारे Plan to Win के जितने भी members हैं, each and everyone is using a to-do list. Okay, आपका to-do list जो है pen and paper पे होगा, okay, या आपका app पे होगा. Okay. Now, if someone has given a request, please send me, let's say, a YouTube video. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे phone पे, okay, I'll type it down, send a YouTube video to Chaya. Okay, and that goes as a to-do list. अब ये हो सकता है कि वो जो action item है उसका priority low है. Okay, तो उसका priority low है ये मेरे दिमाग में. Okay, and I have responded to that person saying that yes, to this person Chaya, let's say, I'm going to send you a video. Okay, and I've said yes, and it has got registered in my to-do list. Now to-do list में अगर मेरी एक बार आ गया तो मतलब लाइफ टाइम में ये होने ही वाला है, और else अगर लाइफ टाइम में नहीं होगा तो maybe my expiry date has come. Okay, either it is going to happen or my expiry date has come. But let's say last Friday का वीडियो आज तक के फ्राइडे पे नहीं आया है. So what does it mean? It means कि ये जो action item है ये नीचे नीचे होते गया है बिकॉज इंपॉर्टेंस इसका कम है। एंड मेरी लाइफ में इतनी सारी चीजें उथल पुथल हो रही है और इंपॉर्टेंट चल रही है दैट आई एम डूइंग दोस थिंग्स। ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे आपको अगर शायद दिखता होगा तो ये तो डायलेमा हो गया, मैंने वर्ड दिया है, किसी को जबान दिया है, एंड दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग। सो व्हाट शुड बी डन फ्रॉम माय साइड इज, इफ आई हैव गिवन डेट एंड टाइम, अगर डेट एंड टाइम नहीं दिया है so then that's fine. If I'm given date and time, then I should stick to it. And every day, at the end of the day, when I'm reviewing my to-do, आज का दिन का to-do list, I should ensure I need to bump up the action items जिसके लिए मैंने अपने जबान दी, that this is going to happen on Wednesday, this is going to happen on Thursday at 3 p.m, this p.m and that p.m and so on and so on. अगर आपने दिया है, you get to bump up your priorities. Okay, so I'm sharing with you, there is a possibility that you can bump up your action item, your to-do list. Now, here is an interesting thing. Suppose सामने वाला जो बंदा है, for him it is important that you take an action, but maybe for me this action item is low on priority. So that person calls me up saying that Arun, this is very important for me, can you please send it up? और मैं एनरोल्ड हो जाता हूं उसकी बातों में और बोल देता हूं हाँ अभी तुरंत 10 मिनट में। तो जैसे ही मैंने अपनी जबान दी है, then I need to bump up that to-do list of next action item immediately to be given in that 10 minutes. तो ये जो ऊपर नीचे करने का है sequence of your priority of your to-do list, that is in your hand. Okay, अगर कोई और सामने वाला बंदा है, he wants to get these things on high priority, then you should do it. ऑफिस में ये अक्सर होता है, bosses जो होते हैं, they give you priority. Arun, whatever that you're doing, that's okay, but this is something which is of very important. I need you to finish in next 2 hours. Okay, client का proposal होगा, so then I'm happy because मेरे boss ने ही मेरे priority decide कर ली है। जो भी चीज मैं हाथ में लिया है मैं साइड में कर देता हूँ, ये जो चीज हाथ में बॉस ने बोली है, I do it, finish it, and then I resume on this. Now बहुत बार ये होता है, not everyone who works in the corporate या office environment gets this kind of a fortunate environment. बहुत बार हम घर पे ही काम करते हैं as a freelancer or as a independent independent practitioner. ये भी हो सकता है कि we might be what you say homemaker. ये भी हो सकता है कि we have we are our own boss. So in that case it becomes very difficult. Nobody else is going to decide on your priorities. You have to decide on your priorities. Okay, so how to decide on your priorities, it's up to you, but also be mindful what are the things that other people are expecting from. अगर उन्होंने कॉल करके, व्हाट्सएप करके, मैसेज करके, ईमेल करके, बहुत सारी चीजें करके बोला है ये मुझे चाहिए, मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, then you need to bump that action item in your to-do list. Okay, so the point that I wanted to bring up is priorities. You can bump up your priorities. There is no stopping that you can't bump up your priorities. You can really add a due date and which says that ये time पे ये होना ही है. So because you have given your word, okay. So all the people who are using your to-do list and everyone in the Plan to Win, community is doing that, and that's the reason bumping up the priorities of your next action item or of your to-do list, action item in the to-do list is very important. Okay, now next part is notify. Okay, notify people. मतलब मैंने आपकी प्रायोरिटी को ऊपर किया है या नीचे किया है कि ये होगा या नहीं होगा, बता दो सामने वालों को. Okay, one second. Just tell the other people that this is going to happen or this is not going to happen. Am I going to be delayed or am I not going to be delayed? ये आप बता दो. Because it is very important that we need to share this. We need to inform other people. Okay, we need to be mindful of other people. Okay, because see, we are human beings. We work in society. Okay, we need help of each other. Okay, I'll give you an example of a hare and tortoise. एक खरगोश होता है, एक कछुआ होता है. Okay, अभी खरगोश और कछुए की स्टोरी आपको पता है, ये ट्विस्ट वाली स्टोरी। ट्विस्ट वाली स्टोरी में ये है कि दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं, ओके, दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं और दोनों रेस, इकट्ठे रेस खेल रहे हैं एज अ टीम, ओके, एंड दे हैव टू रीच टू दी व्हाट यू से माइलस्टोन, दे हैव टू रीच टू दी एंड पॉइंट एंड दे हैव टू विन। तो खरगोश क्या करता है, कछुए को अपने पीठ पे लेता है और दौड़ने लगता है, और जैसे ही तालाब आता है, कछुआ ये खरगोश कछुए को नीचे रखता है, कछुआ खरगोश को पीठ पे रखता है और तालाब से स्विम करके करते आगे पहुंचा। सो द पॉइंट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट वी हैव टू वर्क हैंड इन हैंड विद ऑल आवर कलीग्स। किसी का कोई स्किल अच्छा होगा, किसी का कोई और स्किल अच्छा होगा, हो सकता है मेरा टेक्निकल स्किल अच्छा होगा, एक्सेल शीट, स्प्रेडशीट्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, हो सकता है किसी और का सेल्स, एनरोलमेंट एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंटली विद पीपल एंड बिल्डिंग रैपो विद पीपल बहुत अच्छा होगा। सो आई नीड टू वर्क in tandem, I need to work in collaboration with my team members, okay, and for that reason look everywhere, you know, आपके ऑफिस में टीम है, आप जो छोटे सोशल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते हो वहां पे टीम है, आपका घर पे अगर शादी होती है, there is no single person who manages everything. The whole family comes together to work and organize for that wedding. किसी एक बंदे का वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये नहीं होता, एक्शन नहीं होता। सो एंड इरेस्पेक्टिव कौन छोटा है कौन बड़ा है, डजंट मैटर, एवरीवन पुट्स इन देयर हेड एंड हार्ट एंड दे पुट इन देयर एफर्ट। बट अगर
I can't hear you.
Thank you. So I was saying कि अगर शादी में ऐसा होता है कि एक बंदा है जो बोलता है कि सब मैं ही करूंगा, मुझे लोगों की जरूरत नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क इन कोलैबोरेशन, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क इन।
अरुण, आपकी ऑडियो बहुत कम आ रही है, डिस्टेंट ऑडियो आ रही है, कैन यू प्लीज चेक दैट?
We need people to go hand, okay, and unless you don't collaborate, unless you don't cooperate and unless you don't communicate, ये नहीं होगा, because we need to work in tandem. अब अगर यहाँ पे there is a family members who are going to work on that. अगर किसी ने बॉल ड्रॉप कर लिया, ओके, सपोज गाड़ी को सजाना है, किसी और ने वो चीज नहीं, तो किसी और के दिमाग में आएगा, ओके, ही ड्रॉप, वो काम किया ही नहीं। तो ऐसा नहीं कि उस बंदे को ब्लेम करो एंड देन एवरीथिंग हैज गॉन फॉर अ टॉस, नहीं, someone else will take over and do that work. So we need to ensure ball dropping अगर होता है immediately catch up होना चाहिए, okay, अगर falling through the cracks होता है तो immediately catch up होना चाहिए। हो सकता है कि वो उस बंदे के दिमाग में नहीं आया हो, किसी और your colleagues के दिमाग में आ सकता है, okay, so this is very important that now last thing that I wanted to cover is waiting for list, okay, और ये waiting for list के लिए एग्जाम्पल, ओके, समवन गिव मी एन एग्जाम्पल कि आप कोई चीज के लिए वेट कर रहे हो किसी और से, समवन या वन सेकेंड, दर्शना mute. Okay, so I put in Darshana on mute. Someone please share one waiting for list. Waiting for list मतलब क्या है? आप कोई एक चीज के लिए आपके फ्रेंड से या किसी कलीग से वेट कर रहे हो. You're waiting for something that he has to revert back. Okay, so anyone please share one example that we can say this is a waiting for list example. Okay, anyone?
Yes, Arun.
Yes.
I'm waiting for your response on the intensive sessions that we have to plan for Chetna. I'm waiting for Arun to
Yeah.
respond on the intensive sessions that we have to take for our Plan to Win participants.
Okay.
Since
Fantastic.
since 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
And-
Here is
yes.
the thing. Here is the thing. So what Darshana said, that she is waiting for Arun. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to my to-do list. Okay. Waiting for Arun. Yeah, Darshana. For to respond.
For responding
Yeah.
to the schedule of intensive sessions for Plan to Win participants from 3 weeks.
Yeah. Okay. So is this good? What I've written? Yeah, Darshana? Yes? Are you able to see my screen, Darshana? Okay. So I hope others are able to see my screen, and this is nothing but my to-do list. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
this is a to-do list जहाँ पे मैं waiting कर रहा हूँ. So if you see, there is a status which is waiting, or rather, actually, Darshana would use exactly this, and it will have waiting. Okay. And यहाँ पे ये चीज important है that maybe Darshana wants me to respond in next immediately today. और हो सकता है मेरे पास I am saying I will respond by this week. तो यहाँ पे क्या चीज हो रही है? We have a difference in prioritization. For one person, this might be quite important. For the other person, this might be less important. तो अगर ऐसा होता है, in that case, what needs to be done? In that case, उस बंदे को कॉल करना है, yeah, so that both of them are aligned, both of them, enroll हो रहे हैं, okay? And there are, and this is nothing but a request conversation. So other person is going to make a request. Will this be doable? And maybe that person says, "नहीं, आज का आज नहीं होगा. How about tomorrow?" And then we agree. So there is a possibility of renegotiation. Negotiation is really possible in this, and that is how we need to work on. Okay. So with this, I just showed you how to do a waiting for list. Waiting for list कैसे करना है वो भी complete हो गया है. Format उसका ये है कि waiting for this person to do this. Let's say waiting for Vikas to return me my book, Power of Subconscious Mind. Okay. And I'm waiting since last month. Okay. So ये पूरा format है which I'm going to write. And what I need to do is I need to review. End of the week, मैं ये list को review करूँगा कि अच्छा waiting for list, अरे विकास ने book नहीं दिया. So I'm going to send a reminder to him. For some people, if you are, a week is too far for you, you can look at your waiting for list maybe every 3 days. कुछ लोगों का ये हो सकता है, for them things are very fast and they would like to look at their waiting for list every day at the end of the day. So even that is possible. Okay. So while we are using to-do list, we can also use to-do list for making a waiting for list. So waiting for list is really a special one. Okay. So with this, we have completed all the things that was there in our agenda for today. And we are almost complete with all the things. It's exactly 7:43. We have 2 minutes to go. And I would keep this session open for super leaders to share if they want to share and do any announcement for Plan to Win, things which are coming up. Yeah, so session is open for Shalaka, Rajesh, Darshana, Seema to speak up.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, hi. Okay, this is Darshana. Yeah, so quickly, I want to remind everybody that tomorrow we have our expert speak in the morning. We have Mr. Arora. He is going to, just a minute, guys. I'm sorry, I'm a little disturbance. Yeah, so everybody has got the link for the expert speak. Will be, I think it is not shared in the group. Excuse me for that. But yeah, so we have Mr. Arora. He's joining us tomorrow, and he's going to talk about criticism. Wow, what a topic. Okay, so art of praise and science of criticism. So I request each one of you to be there in the session and be there with your families and people who matter to you. Okay, it might so happen that you must have experienced criticism, or you must have been the source of criticism. So whichever way it is, okay, let us learn the art of praise also. So how many of you would be there? And I think everybody will be there, right? Yes,
Yes,
perfect,
yes.
Shaya. Shaya is the first one, yeah, to show that she is aligned. So requesting each one of you, thank you so much, Shaya, for your prompt response. So please see that you are not only are there, but multiply this knowledge by sharing with people. That's from me. Thank you, Arun, for this opportunity. Tomorrow 8 a.m. So log in at 7:55. I will be sharing the invites. We did not share because we had productivity training. In a minute, you'll get the invite on activity group and heart to heart. Go ahead and share it with your people. Thank you. Yeah, Arun, you can complete the call. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Darshana. And thank you, everyone. Exactly 7:45. With this, I declare our meeting, our training as complete. Thank you.